If you've been waiting for DJI's next generation 360 camera, often tracked as the Osmo 362 or Osmo 360 Mark II/3, we finally have a much clearer picture of what's coming. While DJI hasn't made an official announcement yet, genuine FCC certifications, testing facility leaks, and prototype images have surfaced. So, what has actually changed under the hood? What are the rumored specs, expected pricing, and, most importantly, is it worth holding off your purchase? Let's break down everything we know so far. Starting with the physical design, early prototype leaks show a familiar square-shaped body maintaining compatibility with many existing mounts and accessories from the current ecosystem. However, look closer at the lens system, and you'll spot one of the most requested upgrades in action camera history. Unlike the original Osmo 360, recent testing photos indicate that the new model features removable lenses secured by an external screw mechanism. If this makes it to the final retail version, it completely solves the nightmare of scratching a fixed lens, which previously meant expensive repairs or replacing the entire unit. Being able to simply swap out a damaged lens in the field is a massive win for creators, cyclists, and adventure filmmakers. When it comes to imaging hardware, leaks suggest DJI is retaining the core dual $1/1.1 inch Type-C MOS sensors from the first generation, which deliver a 1-inch equivalent imaging area in a $4 to $3 configuration. However, video processing gets a serious boost, higher frame rates, while the first gen handles native 8K at 50 frames per second. Reports indicate the new model could support 8K at up to 60 frames per second for much smoother footage during fast-moving action. Audio upgrades. The prototype photos reveal a significantly larger microphone assembly, promising better internal audio capture out of the box. Connectivity. Expect modern upgrades, including Wi-Fi 6 and NFC for lightning-fast smartphone pairing. Battery performance has consistently been a focal point for 360 cameras, and FCC filings point to a notable capacity increase. Early registrations indicate a battery increase ranging roughly from 10% to 20% larger than the current model's 1,950 mAh cell. That said, an important question remains: heat management. High frame rate 8K recording pushes hardware to its limits. How DJI handles thermal dissipation on this new chassis will dictate real-world reliability during long recording sessions. While official US pricing is still under wraps, current industry estimates place the new camera between $499 and $579 depending on the bundle configuration, putting it right in line with the original Osmo 360 launch price of $549.99 for the standard combo. Expect DJI to roll out similar packaging tiers. Standard combo, camera, protective pouch, USB-C cable, and basic mounting hardware. Adventure/essential bundles, multifunctional battery cases, quick-release mounts, and invisible selfie sticks. So should you wait? If you're planning to invest in a high-end 360 camera and don't urgently need one this exact second, the answer is leaning toward yes. Between removable lenses, smoother 8K per 60 frames per second video, and a larger battery, the generational leap is looking substantial. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are removable lenses enough to make you upgrade? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the official launch coverage.